Now, from this cat stance, our movement with the hands is going to be and I'll mirror it for you, to turn. So your right hand is under. Notice both thumbs turn. So do that a couple times. Look at your thumbs and get them to move like they're a clock. Click, 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 click. Now they're opposites of each other. So when the right hand goes forward, the left hand comes back. Both thumbs are still connected. Turn. Left hand goes forward. Right hand goes back. Turn. Forward and back. Turn and back. There we go. A little bit easier. Nice and smooth. Excellent. So we're here. Weight is on the right leg, left leg is free. In. We're gonna step forward, slice, and my toe turns a little bit, but don't worry about that right now. Just slice up, step, and slice. So this will work best, I think, if you go sideways with me. Now you're looking at your computer, you go nice and sideways with me. Here we are from the back side. We'll turn around, because this is where we'll be anyway. We'll be here, right? Step. So go ahead and step with me. Push forward. Follow. Good. And then back. Step and slice. Sink your weight into that front leg so that you can step forward. Turn the hands. Slice and shift your weight forward. So back again. We're in that nice cat stance. Forward. Slice with the right hand. Sink the weight. Forward. Slice with the left hand. Shift the weight. We'll do that one more time. We're in. Step. Slice. Step. Whole body goes forward. The hands turn. Whole body shifts forward. Go ahead, pause, and get that one down. All right, friends, I'm going to race against light to get you to the end of this, but it is going to happen. As we finish, we were here. We step, slice, step, push the weight forward, and slice. Now, we're going to take our left hand, put it on the table, step forward, and push your weight forward as you punch and follow. Good. So from here, this whole thing together is up, out, push, follow, back, follow, forward slice, left hand down, step, punch. Right. So here we are. We're like so. Left hand down. We're here. Left hand down. We're here. Left hand down. Back. Down. Back. Down. Back. Down. Step. Punch. We're back. Step. From the back leg, spring forward, little punch. From the back leg, step forward, little punch. From the back leg, step forward, little punch. So we're back, like so. Down, step, little punch as we come forward. Again, we're here, down, step, little punch forward. Go ahead, get that into your brain. Be able to do that one somewhat comfortably.